Welcome to our demonstration facility here in Switzerland, where we want to demonstrate our continuous upstream process for recombinant casein production. And we want to show you how we actually scale this process from 2 liters, which we have in Vienna, to 100 liters, which we do here. And for that, I take you on a roadshow here first in one of the 2 reactors which we need for our production. So come over, you see here the first reactor which we have here. And here we see a continuous process where the cells are getting fed to grow. And they're growing in a continuous manner. And like this, they are very happy and they like to produce themselves. And for that, they're actually fed by lots of different media which we have. You will see here some feed, you will see here some base, and you see some pumps doing some magic. Once we have done this first step, where the cells are actually grown, we are transferring the cells also via this pump to this next bioreactor, where we are actually producing the recombinant protein. And this is happening here in a 100-liter scale, where we are doing actually the same thing like here, but the magic is that we are inducing the cells to produce the protein of our interest. And this induction is actually done here with this little feed, with certain pumps which we are having here, and we are dosing in a very controlled manner. The control is happening with local controls, which you will see here. And of course, we are also taking data for the real-time observation of the process and to make sure the process is always stable. Once we are here in this step, we are running continuously from this reactor to the harvest tank, which you are seeing here. Here, the cells are collected in a continuous manner, and the cells are containing the product of interest. Here we are collecting our product about half a day, and once we are having a certain amount, we are connecting this vessel to our centrifuge, which we have in the back. And this continuous centrifuge is enabling us to concentrate our product. So it gets to biomass containing our product in a very concentrated manner. And you see that here, that we are collecting here about 8 kilos with about 1 kilo of our product every half a day. Now you have seen the operational setup here at our demonstration facility. But what about the performance and the quality of our product? Therefore, of course, we are taking offline samples in regular intervals, but not only offline samples, thank you so much, Herwig, but also online samples we are taking here, like gas analysis and other sensors, and then we are fusing the data together. Therefore, of course, we are processing the data in a digital format, and we are administering the data in our system. We are assessing the data in a certain combination. We are bringing this one into a trend of the process, which we are seeing in the second screen. And once we are having the trend, we can also, with our digital twins, look in the future. That means we are seeing predictions, what is going to happen with the process. And last but not least, control the process at a very much economic, continuous state. So now you have seen our setup here for the 100-liter demonstration facility here in Switzerland. What have we obtained? We have obtained biomass with our product of interest. Now the next step is to condition this solution to the final product. What comes next? The next step is to analyze the performances here. And from our analysis which we have done, we are very certain that we can go to much higher scale, like 4,000 liter or even 20,000 liter. And this makes the way free to commercialization.